Hi, David here with Tough Tractors. This is a Yanmar FX18D. It's a 23 horsepower, 4-wheel drive, shuttle shift, power steering. This thing's got just about everything on it that you'd want to have on a tractor. Pretty decent shape. Paint's a little rough. Yeah, got some goofy stuff going on here and there. It's got a 5-foot bucket. Again, 4-wheel drive. Tires in really good shape, both the front and the rear. It's easy on, easy off. Look, nothing to climb over, you just get right in. It's a shuttle shift. You shift the gears, you just push the lever forward. That's it. You don't have to push the clutch to shift the gears. It's shown with our optional J-bar 4-foot box scraper on it. Got a little handy utility thing here. It's got a brand new seat on it. Low hours. I think it's got 1,082 hours on it. This isn't a full-time 4-wheel drive. You can actually shift it to 4-wheel and 2-wheel with that lever there. It's got 3 gears, 3 speeds. It's got a 3-speed PTO. Turn this camera right way. Right there. Again, new seat. Look, climb in this thing, you just step here, you're up, and you're in. You don't have to lift your leg over anything. You hear that? The horn works. That's always important to Jake. Really good shape. Normally, these tractors of this size have 5, 6, 7, 8,000 hours on them. This is really low hours. Like I said, a little over 1,000 hours. These things will get over 10, 15 hours, 15,000 hours before you have to do really anything to them. It's been completely serviced, oil changed, filters changed. It's got a nice, easy to access hydraulic filter right there. That's easy to change. I changed that out, changed the fluids, changed the screen on the hydraulics. It's got a brand new loader on it. It's a 5-foot loader, so all these hydraulics are brand new. Go ahead and start it up here. It's a 3-cylinder diesel, 23 horsepower, like I said, no smoke. It's got the joystick controller for the bucket. That bucket will lift over 7.5 feet. If you have something heavy on the back, box scraper, tiller, something like that, this thing will lift over 1,200 pounds. So nice tractor. Like I said, just got about every option you want. Easy on, easy off, power steering, no clutch shifting, 4-wheel drive. If you have any questions, you can email me, David at ToughTractors.com. If you want to see this tractor or any other tractors that we have, including implements like the box scrapers, we've got brand new brush hogs there, 4-foot, called clippers. We have used tillers. We have brand new augers. You can go to our website at ToughTractors.com, TOUGH Tractors.com.